If you're trying to build a never-ending referral partner pipeline, the best way to do this is first you got to get started. You got to connect with somebody in the community that knows other people, right? And so genuinely connect with them. And then in that call or in that in-person meetup, just ask them, hey, who else do you know that does XYZ? Call out something specific. So who else do you know that does property management? Who else do you know that is an interior designer that would be good for me to meet and connect with? Then if they know someone, they'll offer up that. And then what you want to follow up with is, oh, that's so great. Would you be able to do like a text message intro? That would just be huge for us to be able to start connecting with that person. And then you just follow up with the original referral partner until they make that text message intro. And then it's like you have this warm inbound referral partner connection rather than doing a bunch of cold email, cold call, or cold text outreach.